Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real in my kitchen tonight. I'm making melt in your mouth chicken. I'm gonna show y'all how I'm gonna put mine together. I'm gonna spray a 13 by 9 inch casserole dish so that it doesn't require a ton of cleanup. And I am going to mix together 2 cups of plain Greek yogurt. I'm gonna eyeball mine because there's 32 ounces and there's about a fourth gone. So I'm gonna take 2 more fourths out of it, which would be 2 cups, roundabout. This is a really good recipe. It's not hard to do, and it's always a crowd pleaser. Okay, I'm gonna add to it 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, and I just have the shake kind that's like grated. You could use, you know, the real, like this in the dairy section if you want to. That's totally up to you. This is like beside the pasta in the grocery store. This is the kind we put on our spaghetti. Okay, I'm also gonna add, let's see, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and I'm gonna eyeball that. It's probably a little more than that, that's okay. And 1½ teaspoons of chili powder, and a ½ teaspoon of black pepper. And again, I'm eyeballing this. I'm about out of chili powder. Need to put that on my list. Okay, let me grab a spoon so I can dip into this and get some black pepper. And my melt in your mouth chicken. Okay, I'm gonna mix that up. I'm gonna move this out of the way so I don't get it dirty, any dirtier than it already is. You know how you spill stuff on it, coffee, different recipes that you have your recipe book laying out. You know what I'm talking about. Anyway, melt in your mouth chicken. I have 4 chicken breasts. I actually had 4 chicken breasts that I cut in 2 that were humongous. And I put 4 of them in the freezer for another night, so that we can save money and waste not, want not. So once this is mixed up, I'm gonna slather my chicken with it. And these are gonna bake on 375 for an hour. I'm gonna get my hands in this. I'll turn that over because I want it on both sides if possible. And this doesn't break the bank as far as calories go because it's fat-free plain Greek yogurt. It will make this chicken moist and delicious. Okay, now over the top, I'm going to slather the rest of this. And it's going into a 375 degree oven for approximately 1 hour. And I may cover mine with foil just for a little while and then uncover it for the remainder of the baking time. I think I will. Lock that moisture in. I think what I'll do is set my timer for 30 minutes and cook it covered for 30 minutes and uncovered for 30 minutes. And I will post pictures in the comments. I will post them in my story. You will see this chicken. You may have to look for it in comments, but there will be a picture posted. Also Facebook, when I upload this video, there's a little blip there that you can see the picture, but that's what I'm doing in my kitchen tonight. Yeah, melt in your mouth chicken. Cookie and I, we're getting it done. Thanks for tuning in. Give it a try. See ya.